So what you expected, any different?
It was crazier.
It was crazier. All the way down. Good. That was the one right there. That felt good?
That was crazy.
Good. That's good. There it is. There it is. Other side for me. Good. So it was a good experience overall?
Yeah.
How was it compared to other chiropractors that you've been to?
Way different.
Way different?
It's just like the normal, like,
Yeah.
quick adjustment your back or maybe your neck, and then there you go. That's it.